on a mission.
Alright, so we have over 130 varieties of edible plants. Fruit trees, berry bushes, medicinal plants. We have turmeric, ginger, olive trees from 6-inch pots to 670-gallon pots. Mangoes, avocados, I mean, you name it.
Here you go, guys. I'm doing a little walk. Dude, look at how cool this is. It's like being in the tropics again. Look at all these different mangoes, all different sizes. You gotta come check it out. Natural Farms. And they do educational courses. They got 3-gallon pots in here. Tons of variety. Tons of wonderful person. That's Miss Sonia. She's running the business. She got it on lock with her husband. She's not doing it by herself. She has the best help around here. Just like me. I can't do a video without my wife. She helps me to do everything. Look at these coconut cream. Guys, this is during the cold blast. Look at the bird. Look how awesome that is. Look at her. She's enjoying all of the wonderful different fruits. You let her stop in. A little place to enjoy. Look at that, guys. Look at all the different mangoes, different sizes. These are their 7-gallon pots. They have such good quality. They're so healthy. You guys gotta come through. Check them out. You gotta come visit them, man. They introduced me to a new fruit today. I'll be taking home. I can't wait to give you an update on that, guys. Here we go. We got more mangoes over here. Look at all of these beautiful mangoes. Oh my gosh. Healthy, healthy mangoes. What do we have here? Which kind of mangoes are these? This is Valencia Pride, like the one I have at home right now. Look how healthy they are. They're all in blossom. All their avocados. They got tons of avocados. They have, what we got here? Is this more Valencia Pride? This is Super Julie. Oh, look at that. These are Julie mangoes. Look how pretty. So pretty. Look how beautiful these are. You got lots of different mangoes. We have. Which one is this right here? Which one do we got here? This is this a Julie too? Are these all Julies? It looks like each row is set up. So, oh no, this is a curry over here. So we got a curry mango right here. So they're mixed in. Look, we got Glen mango. So these are all different types of mangoes. Oh my gosh, hold on guys. I got to do this over so that way we do this right. So in the front, they have Glen right here. And then they got Bailey Marvel right there. The camera. Sorry guys. I'm looking at the mangoes getting carried away trying to read stuff. Okay, so they have the Super Julie, they have a Glen, they have Bailey's. These are all big pots. They're 30-gallon. See, 30-gallon pots. So these are their 30-gallon selection. On their website has all their price lists for each month. It's on their website. You could go pull the website and you can see all their prices and all what they have available before you make the trip out here. Because just like me, I'm in Ocala. This took me an hour to get here, but the selection and the time they give you is worth it. They have a beautiful selection. Everything is healthy. So right here we got Kent. So I know a lot of people up north love the Kent too because of they're very small, but they don't have that many fibers in them. So we got Kent here, and then next to the Kent we have this is an ice cream. Oh, this is an ice cream mango. Look how many blossoms. The leaves are skinny like how the East Indians are. So that's an ice cream mango. And then what's this one? It looks like the same kind. Those are all ice cream because they all have similar leaves. So those are ice cream mangoes. And then that's the Kent. And these are all 30-gallon. Well, those, I'm not sure what size. Those are like 9-gallon, I think. And it says the ice cream on those bags. That's the carry over there. Let's go around. Somebody's working hard back here. All right, so these are coming down. These are bigger pots. I think we got avocados over here. No, these are cherry mangoes. Oh, these are cherries too. These are cherry mango. We got more cherries. They're bigger pots though. These are beautiful. This looks, is this a cherry too? What is this one? That's a Valencia Pride, yellow. These are such big rootstock. These are all Valencias. So these ones are really big Valencias that they have here. And yeah, so these are all Valencias back here. These are really good for the cold. They're very cold hardy. They're like the Malikas. Oh, we got Hayden mangoes here. These are beautiful Haydens. So there are more selection even in the back. I guess in different sizes in the pots, they have different selections. Because they have the Super Julie in these big ones too, and they have the Haydens. These are really beautiful. Very healthy trees. These ones are very, very healthy. We have Super Julie over here. Whoa, spider web. All right, backing up. No spider web. Stopping from right there. Ain't going no further. All right, we got the Super Julie. That's Super Julie. I'm starting to see that some of them you got to look at the pots and you can see the names of them. Some of them they have it on the branches and the straps, but some of the straps might have broken off. So yeah, you got a lot of different choices if you come here. I think their selection is so wonderful. They have so many different choices from mangoes. It is so awesome. And Sonia and her husband runs the place. This is a beautiful setup. Look at all of these. Look at these even bigger mangoes over here. Look at that. They got more trees back here. Are those jujubes? Those look like, no, those are June plums. What are those? I don't even know what. We got fruits up there. Look like plums of some sort. So here we go. Let's stop right here. I think this is where we stop. We do not go any further. Oh, that's a pickering mango right here in the back with lots of blossoms chilling out here. We have cherries, and those are big pots. Those are humongous, so you can get a full-size tree pretty much right here. Which other ones would you get? So I think that's pretty much it. Inside they have a few trees that they have sitting in the ground. I don't know if this is a Valencia or what, but this big mango tree is in the ground inside of here. So this is doing absolutely well in the greenhouse. It looks so healthy and so beautiful. That's it. I think that's a good cut. I think that's very beautiful. Look at all of these. All of these trees are here only because it was cold, guys. It was cold. To protect the trees, they had to bring in the majority of the trees. These are all different kinds of avocados. This one is yeah, there's so many different plants. We're going to be coming back in spring in a couple of weeks. So as we need to get jujubes. All right, we're getting jujubes. So we are coming back and it's going to be set up totally different. And we get to see all the plants while they're out, so you can see all the other selection. I'm going to take another walk by the smaller pots before I leave, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. I love the big tree in the back. That is so awesome.
Yeah, right.
What is the big tree in the back?
The one on the left?
Yeah, the one that's in the ground.
That's a Shakanon mango.
Oh, wow. You hear that, guys? That's a Chacadon mango.
Shakanon, and then on the right we have the Julie and Pickering, and they produce a lot.
Okay, and then I see you have some plums in the back that look like the cold got them. What kind of plums? Were they June plums or what?
The one in the fencing
area?
Yes.
See, I was right, everyone. So I got it right. I'm not that bad. I still know what's going on here, guys. I looked at it. These are all the small pot area. These were all the tree gardens were. And now that I actually did a walk around because I got too excited. Over here, we had all the different avocados. And alongside here, they got blueberries coming along. We have We have all the different 3-gallon choices here for blackberries and such. They have so many choices. Their garden is absolutely beautiful. Everything is so healthy. Everything is so strong. Make sure you guys come by, show some support. This is a wonderful place. We need more places like this in Central Florida that's supporting the tropical and all the fruitfulness that we need. You know, this is what makes me smile. Like I told you in my shorts, this is my joy. To be out here relaxing, walking through a farm filled with fruits. Look at this. And it's freezing. And they say that these things can't grow up here. All it takes is a little bit of work, guys. And this is what we can have. Look at all of these beautiful trees. We got loquats over here. We got dragon fruit. What else we got there? We got all kinds of fruits. Gold nuggets. I never even know what those are. But I'm always down to try new fruits. And right now we're just waiting to see what the different varieties that they have to add to all the wonderful selections that we can bring home with us. Okay, everyone, thanks for joining. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate your time. Remember to like and subscribe so I could keep bringing you awesome videos like these so you can know what's going on. And remember, everything, all prices are on their website. They have a great website, easy to use. These are their fig trees too. I see them over there. They got Chalessa. What is those? What are those? Oh, those are peas. Bungo peas. All kind of different peas. And look at all the avocados. These are all right at the front. These are easy access for you to come, walk through your selection, get what you want, and just go, everyone. Look at this. They got guavas over here. They got more avocados over here. Everything you would need right here. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome selection, everyone. Please stop by, visit them, drop by, show them some love. They're doing a great job out here. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe.